Look at this truck. Absolutely crazy. What in the hell do you have to do to birds to get them this angry? To mess with your truck just as you're driving down the street on the way to work. You must have hit one of their friends or something. This is insane. It's everywhere. It was not like this. Back in the window. Oh, that's hilarious. They didn't miss an inch, did they? Look at this. Absolutely hilarious. What in the hell is this bird here? It's in the shape of a bird. Man. All I know is this. I'm going to do whatever the hell you did to a bird, that's for sure.